On Sunday, February 13, 2022, Brady Walker Classic Track Day came to the Streets of Willow Springs on the brand new repaved surface. On-track suspension, we're there doing everybody's bike's needs. Alpinestars had you covered with all your leather needs. Moto Republik did Taste of the Track, and Russ Brown, motorcycle law attorneys, were there to support as well. Check out our Twitter page at RealWSIR, or you can follow me on Instagram, Rody_Thomas. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video, and check out our next video soon to come. We had perfect weather. Hope to see you next time. God bless.
Come on in here. We've only got 4 of us here. I'm going to be the leader. So, what we're going to do is we're going to do 5 laps out there, about 10 miles total. What I'm going to do is, we're going to go a little bit fast at some points. It looks like you guys all have big bikes. I mean, are you guys confident? You guys have been going fast on the freeways and stuff like that before? Okay, great. Now, this is no different than riding on the street. It just doesn't have any yellow lines and white lines and cars coming at you. It's not slippery. It's like this. It's crusty and hard. You're not going to slip. I'm going to go through the first lap and just sort of keep an eye on you guys and see how you guys are going. But I'm going to try and keep you guys bunched together. Now, by the 5th lap, if some guys are going fast, because I'm going to stay in front the whole time. If we start to pull away, like maybe a couple of faster guys might want to pull away a little bit. We're going to get some speed. We're not going to go over 100 miles an hour. Well, we might on the straight, but we're not really going over. I'm on my SR500. We won't be going over 100 miles an hour. But I want to give you guys a feel of what the track is like, the different things, the different transitions. So in the beginning, I'm going to try and keep you guys all bunched together and keep an eye on me, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and hit the apexes the way that we should be doing it as if we were actually racing on the track.
So the best line through the track.
I'm going to do my best to show you my best line. Now, obviously, we all have different bikes, for sure, but I will do the best to do that. So let's just say the 4th or 5th lap comes on, and a couple of us are pulling away, and maybe a couple of you guys are in the back. Don't go crazy, just be cool. It's all right. You'll see us up there. Enjoy the ride. And by the time it's the 5th lap, if you guys are a little bit behind me, I'll send a couple with me in, and then I'll wait for you guys right over here and pull you in. There's nobody else out there, okay?
And I guess what he's saying is if he pulls away, you don't have to keep up with him.
You don't have to keep up with him.
Do not try unless you feel comfortable.
For the last couple of laps, if I feel like 1 or 2 of you guys, or even 1 of you gals, or whatever, or maybe all 5 of you are going to keep up with me. But, so let's fire up your bike. Do not pass me.
Never,
5 laps.
Never pass. How are we supposed to win?
You've already won.
You can change.
Well, it's the front cylinder is right where front radiator would be. But like people return front mount radiator kit, but there's like 3 of them. You have one here and 2 on the side.
Somebody like worked in for the back.
Oh, I see that. But yeah, so the idea was, I don't know what not to do, but when you go on central, the fans push the air out and try and suck it in. Because then you have all the air going,
Forced air going
inside.
through it,
And so
and then if it was, and then just directed
out, it gets super hot. And to check it, sometimes that happens if there's like, if you've got some oil or grease or something on the rotor, and now there's a spot where it's not biting. But the fact that it's pulsating the lever,
that's something.
that means the pads are going in and out. So, and that happens because the rotor's moving like this. It's pushing the pads in and out.
Yeah.
So that's what that is.
And it doesn't take, that could be something you can't even see with your eye. If it's 5,000, that's enough. Yeah.
It doesn't take much.
Doesn't take much, yeah.
Because you think about it, when you pull the lever, how far do the pads actually move before they're pressed really tight against the rotor?
About 4,000ths of an inch.
Not
Right, not much.
Not much at all.
So the rotors, yeah. So something's hit the wheel. When guys put tires on,
Yeah,
careful. If that wheel falls over on the ground, it'll bend the rotor.